fragrance lovers. Namaste. Welcome to Raj Reviews, the channel where we will showcase the legacy of Indian incense. Special thanks to all of you for your great motivation and support. I am quite sure that you will have a scintillating journey with these exclusive, honest reviews. Hello, my dear fragrant friends. Welcome back for another fascinating episode of unboxing. Incense industry is ever changing. Though new products are introduced dime a dozen, the old products do carry the unique identity and flavor. Today, let's unbox such a product. It's Meena Supreme, manufactured by Meena Perfumery Industries, Bangalore. Post 1947, many energetic entrepreneurs started new companies, and there was a surge of new brands. Meena Supreme was such a product which came into markets in the year 1950. This 70-year-old brand has a long history and has many stories with it. After many unsuccessful attempts, this product was relaunched in the name of Meena, which was the name of sister of the founder, and the product found immediate acceptance in 1950s. This product is widely marketed in South India and has also export clientele. Meena Supreme has many variants in pouch and both box formats. Today we will unbox the popular 60 grams economy pack box variant. Check the wholesale pack. The wholesale pack is a bulky box. It's quite heavy. The whole outer box is simply colorful and gives an old calendar artwork look. The front has a multicolored Arabic theme of a partying couple. On the top and at the bottom, the words Meena Supreme forms the border. The copyrighted symbol of a jyoti or lampstand at the left, followed by the registered name Meena and the registered product name Meena Supreme, are all lined up on the top. The simple fonts and single toned colors bring back the memories of old style format. Check the mention, the Supreme Incense since 1947, printed below the word Meena. Also, the word Fluxo Incense below the product name gives an indication that this product has total flora lineage. The whole front is having a hand-painted man and woman picture in that typical colorful attire, sitting on a riverbank enjoying a drink. This type of picture for incense box probably was a very bold move at those times and must have created a unique identity for this product. The back of this economy pack has a similar theme. The product name in Hindi language and the romantic Arabic couple in different posture is all the difference. The multicolors and the details of hand painting used for this box reflects the skill and pattern of the artists of those times. The words economy pack is boldly represented on the box. On one side of the box, a statement on the product is printed. Notice that this sentence is given a trademark symbol. Product name in 5 languages and the pictures of companies' other products is printed for marketing advantage. Observe that the company claims the whole product design with the name has been copyrighted to prevent duplication of the product. On another side of the outer pack, company's contact details with few informative and social symbols are printed. The barcode for the outer box is at the left bottom. This 12-piece wholesale pack has an MRP at rupees 600. Both flaps carry the pictures with product name and other details. The whole outer box smells pretty strong. The Fluxo incense smell is quite noticeable. This outer box opens from the sides. The flap reveals 12 retail pack placed inside. Let's check the retail pack. The pack is having the same theme as of the outer. The box is a bit wobbly for the weight. The whole box has a pale whitish grey background. The left and the right of the front has a border with the product name. At the center, the name of the product in bold, the words Fluxo Incense, with the painting in the background in a lens-like design is very perceptible. The trademarks on the left and the word Economy Pack on the right completes the front. The back of the retail pack carries that description of the product at the center. Same format as the front, but with a different background gives the box that antique old looks. One side of the box has names of the product in different languages with all the commercial symbols. Another side of the box has the company details, contact details with other various registered brand names. The product barcode is at the right. This product sells at 50 rupees MRP for 60 grams of sticks. That's around 850 rupees per kilo of incense sticks. The whole box smells with that typical resinous note of Fluxo incense. Both the flaps carry the product name with a caution of imitation products. Let's check the battis. As soon as you open the side flap, one can get very strong note coming out with full strength. There is a 8-ounce millboard inner to protect the sticks. Inside, we see a 2.5 by 7-inch printed paper cover containing around 20 plus 7-inch very thick semi-soft incense sticks. These sticks are having copious amounts of top nurwa, hand rolled on Indian thick bamboo, and the holding part is colored in yellow. One touch of these and your hands catch the smell. These unusually thick battis carry a very strong and heavy resinous benzoin sugary complex top note. one can detect many side notes associated, as the whole top is a blended bouquet. Let's light one of these. The sticks burn with good smoke. Spread is instant. Considering for its thickness, the sticks are having less smoke. The burning fragrance is very pleasing, resinous, sweet, benzoin like, vanilla, almondy, sugary, with many side notes associated. The sticks burn with very good lingering and can be noticed from far. These fluxo incense, as they are called, burn anywhere between 40 to 45 minutes, giving a lot of incense smell to the area. Friends, that was Meena Supreme Fluxo Incense Sticks for you. Thanks for watching and hope all of you enjoyed the unboxing and the insights. Please stay connected with us. Together, let's showcase great incense products from India. Take care. Have a great day. Jai Hind.